Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a new column in Power BI based on a certain example. So we'll use creating a new column by example in Power Query feature. I've got this file open here with me and I'll just take it to the dim date table. So let me just go to the data view and we'll select dim date. And you can say it's given me date in certain formats, so full delta alternate key. But let's say I want DDDD, so I want date, month in MMM, and then year YYY format. So how do I get that? So let's go back to the home tab here, click on transform data, and this will open the Power Query editor for us. And now I'll select the dim date table. And on the dim date table, you can see I've got the full date alternate key, but I want, let's say I want 1 Jan 2005, 2nd Jan 2005, 3rd Jan 2005, and so on and so forth. So I want to create another column like that. So I'll, on this Power Query editor, I'll go to the add column option and I'll click on column from examples. So let's just click that. And this gives us two options. So I'll just cancel out of this for now. And say column from example. And let me just select this first before we build it. And then I'll say from selection. So it will look at this field and help us build. So now I'll say, so I'll start typing out what I want. So I want 01 Jan 2005. Then I'll type in 02 Jan and hit enter. And you can see it's starting to build the formula for us. So it's saying that it gets the day, then it adds Jan, and then so on and so forth. This looks all right because it's getting the day and the year, but I don't like this the idea of using Jan. So let me just scroll further down and let us go into Feb. So the month of Feb starts here for us, and I'll select this, and I'll say this looks all right except change the month. And I'll hit enter. And you can see it's changed all the values, and then you can see up top that it's also changed the logic. So it's using MMM. So if I scroll down further, see it's giving me March and April and so on and so forth. So this looks good to me, and I'll click OK. And so what I've done here is I've added a custom column which gives me a date field based on, and I've created this by giving examples. So I hope you find this video useful, and there are multiple uses for this, but I've just used one. So in this video, we've learned how to add a column based on examples in the Power Query editor. So I hope and let me just call this new date format. So this one will become available to us. And I can hit, oops, let's just change it again. And I'll just hit close and go to the home tab, close and apply. And this new date format will become available to me. And now if I scroll to the right, you can see that it's giving me the new date format. So this is just an example. You can explore and play with other examples. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers. Bye.